What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the B23 Financial Academy. We hope all of our videos have found you well thus far. This will be video 2 of 2 in our Bollinger Band series. In video 1, we explained and outlined what the Bollinger Band is and what its function is, as well as how it relates to the naked price or naked price action. In video 2, we will try our best to give you guys tips and ways you can go about trading it on a day-to-day basis that'll give you a higher probability of your trade playing out or a higher probability of wins versus losses. So in video 1, we just covered that the Bollinger Band, the function of a Bollinger Band is to contain price within it, and that whenever breakouts occur, it is a potential sell or buy opportunity. So in this video, we will try our best to intertwine or to give more entry reasons as to why we should potentially buy or sell and not just rely on a breakout as is. So back to the example we did on video 1, we'll start with this breakout here. Instead of just focusing on it and just selling when price is here or selling whenever a breakout occurs, we are going to see or search for a certain area. My guess is there was probably some sort of resistance around this point. So that is what we are going to do. We're going to go into the past and see what was there. All right. So let's just extend this. All right. Great. We immediately see that there's some sort of resistance zone that was there in the past. So price, we had resistance here, resistance zone, not price line, there's a difference. Resistance zone. We had a resistance zone that price later came back to retest in the form of resistance and in the form of a breakout of the Bollinger Band. This area here was retested as resistance and as a breakout of the Bollinger Band. Resistance and Bollinger Band breakout. So this would be a reason that would solidify our entry or our belief that price may go down after this retest. So instead of now, okay, you had touch 1 of resistance, right? Touch 1, resistance, touch 2. You could have then sold here, as we outlined in video 1. You could have sold there, and then your TP or your take profit could have been there at the next or the most visible. Hold on. These trend lines like messing with me. Your take profit could have been there. Just as an example, this would have been a 360 take profit amount versus, let's say, a stop loss of, let's check, sell there, stop loss of about 100 pips. So you're risking 100 pips to make 360, which is a good ratio. It's a 1-to-3 trading risk or risk to reward ratio. So let me just switch this since it's notes. This area was retested as resistance and the Bollinger Band breakout. Great, so let's move on to another chart. Okay, this one, Euro JPY. Bollinger Band, same thing. Let's look here. Hold up. Price went outside of the Bollinger Band here. Let's find out why. Why did price go outside of the Bollinger Band here? Let's extend this. Resistance. We have an area in the market where prices touched once, twice, 3 times. On the fourth occasion, we had resistance plus the breakout of the Bollinger Band. Resistance plus PV breakout. I hope what I'm doing is making sense. I hope I'm not complicating anything. So again, you would wait for the candlestick to close inside of the Bollinger Band, which would have been there. And we said our risk or our stop loss is 100 pips, if I'm not mistaken. So around there, hold on. Just want to make sure I'm being accurate. So around there is where you would have entered your trade. Since price is now inside, it closed inside. Let me just show you. The candlestick closed inside. So you could have sold at this level because now you have two entry reasons. One, you have resistance. Two, you have Bollinger Band breakouts and prices now inside of the Bollinger Band. So we could have sold there, stop loss of about 100 pips, which would be where around 139, would have been somewhere there. Yeah, would have been somewhere there. Well, then you would take profit. Could have been there, could have also been there. Take profits will be up to you to decide where they will be, but you should have them. In the previous example we did, I think 360 pips. So let's see if we had the same. Okay, in this occasion we had more. We had about, okay, let me move it up. So here we had about 500. So this is basically how you would go about trading it using more than one entry reason. We had another breakout here. We are going to check why, or do we have another potential entry reason there? Okay, let's zoom out. All right, let's check what's there. I wouldn't regard this as support. I personally wouldn't, but someone may. It may be another entry reason why. I hope this example makes sense. We have another one here. Let's check. Well, in fact, let me do something more recent. Like here. Why did price? Okay, nope, I wouldn't record this as resistance either. Maybe on a lower time frame, there's some sort of resistance, but I personally wouldn't regard it as such. But it just shows that no system or way of trading is 100% accurate. This is just an example of how you could go about using more than one entry reason. Another entry reason would be candlesticks, but candlesticks are for later on in the overall course or the overall video series. But in the meantime, you could look at other YouTube channels that provide great videos. My personal favorite is the trading channel, as well as Karen Fu. So you can look at them for candlestick videos. But this is essentially how you could go about trading this using more than one entry reason. The key again is that the candlestick body has to go outside the Bollinger Band and not a spike, but the candlestick body. And if you can notice, whenever they do go outside, eventually they go back inside, they go outside, go back inside, 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 so on and so forth. Yeah, there really isn't much to add. Whatever I may have left out in this video will be provided on the Telegram group. Any additional notes I think are necessary will be provided there. Feel free to check it out, send the link around, pass it around if you found anything of value in this video and in the group. So yeah, this has been video 2 for PB, for the Bollinger Band indicator. Let me know what you think. Subscribe if you're new. It's been Mr. Billionaire 23 signing out.